Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and it's that time of the week again where we unveil another unboxing. This time it's from Temu, and one of these, which I think is this one, it's a monkey, and I'm pretty damn sure I've got that, so I'm going to have to check it. But this one, Lazy Retired Granny, I think has this one, so let's get into this one first, which is of two cute little puppies in what looks to be like a backdrop of trees and the little house in the background. So let's get into this, and already looking at that looks pretty damn clear to me. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting into this. I've been super gluing today, so I've got all super glue stuck to me, so it's all going very well. But in here, oh, look at the little face. Let's have a look and see what it's looking like. So in here we have this. Oh, mamma mia, look at that colour going in there. Oh, yes. This is beautiful. Look at this. So we've got this lovely house in the background. I'd love to live in a house like that. It looks really big. We've got this gorgeous sort of pink blossom cherry tree sort of over here, and another sort of pink blossom. It reminds me of these little trees you can get on Amazon. It's like a sort of magic experiment kit, and what it is it's a cardboard tree with a plastic stand, and you get this special liquid and you pour it on the tree, and then magically overnight you get these tiny crystals develop on it. I'll have to pop a link in the description of the video so you guys can check that out if you want one. And then we have these two little adorable puppies, and he just looks massive. He looks really big. And then this cute little baby one here. So I think they're both puppies, but it's just I think he's actually laying down, to be fair. Yeah, it looks like he's laying down, whereas he's sitting up, which probably would explain why he looks big. But this is fabulous. I've just noted the schematic here looks really big and bold, like it's been zoomed up. You can see they're very clear here, and yeah, I really like that. Even down to these sort of trees here, it's got that lovely sort of over the rainbow vibe, isn't it, with all the colours of the rainbow. Let's check the stick here. Yeah, that's beautiful. This feels like a really high quality kit. A lot of the ones from Temu, it does feel really thin on the back of the canvas, but this looks really good. And a CW 849, which I don't think we've had CW before. It is a 30x40. I think we've got some little birds in the sky here. I think they're clouds, and then that's the little bird. But I just had to have it. But Linda, let me know, because I'm pretty damn sure I've seen this on your channel. So yeah, that is what that one looks like. So we'll put that to one side, and we've got ourselves our standard boat again here, which looks pretty damn good. So we'll put that to one side, and then obviously we've got our drills, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, look at this, absolutely gorgeous. So let's put that to one side, and as you can see in here, we have a yellowy colour, sort of oceany blue, a lilac there, or perhaps purple. I don't know, it's a bit light. So we've got sort of like a very, I don't know what you would call that, but some sort of browny orange there. It's not quite terracotta, but we've got a teal here, and we've also got a browny colour, and a purple, a pink, a black. We've also got ourselves a sort of Brute sort of colour. If you've ever bought the Christmas spray Brute, then you'll know what I mean. And then we've got a light blue and an orange, and we've also got a darky brown and a sort of lighter brown. Very gorgeous sort of burgundy colour there. That's lovely. And that colour there is a 815, which is, what colour is that? That's number 6. That is coming up at a 815. Yeah. Oh my god, like I literally said 815. And it is an 815. And we've got a sandy sort of grey colour. I really love that colour. Quite nice, you know, not too dark, not too light, just right, as Goldilocks and the Three Bears would say. And then we've got ourselves a beautiful baby ice pink there. And we've got a sort of vanilla-y colour there, and a light blue and a red colour. So really lovely. And we'll put that to one side. And then, of course, we've got this cheeky little monkey But it's quite funny with crabs, because crabs, I've seen videos of crabs picking up a cigarette that they've found on the beach and smoking it. I'm not even joking. Like, if you search crab smoking cigarettes, it will come up. It's so funny. Like, these crabs will eat anything. But yeah, actually, look at this. You see what I mean about the monkey smoking the little what looks like a cigarette or something? But it is ringing a bell that I've got this. I'm pretty damn sure I've got this, so I might have to return this because I don't want to have two of the same thing. I only ever buy two of the same painting if it's like a Christmas or like Easter. You know, I like to have some paintings on the wall at my mum's as well. But yeah, I'm pretty damn sure I've got this. It looks very familiar, but anyway, it's got a lot of colour. I might do a giveaway on it once I've checked it, but yeah, it looks really, really, really lovely. And yeah, my dad absolutely loves monkeys, apes, gorillas, you name it, he likes it, you know. 15 colours on the Shemetic, that lovely sort of rainbow vibe, and I think once you've got that black around the border, it's really going to bring that multicolour going on out there. And we've got our standard tray. I have quite a few of these multicolour versions. They're really lively to work on. And then we'll get ourselves our drills here in this lovely packet. So what I like about Temu is that they're cheap and you've always got a continuous flow of them, and you don't have to wait weeks and weeks and weeks from China, so it seems to rush it through. And yeah, Temu's quite a good company. Okay, so we've got ourselves a dark purple, we've got a brown here, and we've got a mauvey colour and a sort of grey sort of purpley colour. We've got a red there and a sort of wasabi pea lime green there, and like key lime pie. If anyone's had key lime pie, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got orange and a light, well, oh, that's actually like a royal navy blue, I reckon. What colour is that? That's number 8, and that's coming up at 823. Oh my god, 823. That is the colour that we needed for the firework painting that we were working on this year. Oh my god, right, okay, keep that in mind. I might just use this kit as a spare, because we desperately need that colour. And then we got a light blue, and then I think we actually finished it though, I'll have to check. And then yeah, not very keen on that colour. That is absolutely horrible. Number 10 there, coming up at 833. And then we've also got a very nice dark brown. We've got, again, that doesn't look black. That looks like a very sort of dark navy blue. That's coming up at 939. And then we've got this gorgeous minty colour 958. A very beautiful pink 3607 there. And again, this colour doesn't pop up very often. 3808. Absolutely fabulous. So that is what it's looking like. Please let us know what your favourite is. Is it this gorgeous little monkey, or is it this beautiful, lovely scene of the house, the trees, and the puppies? It's like the puppies are guarding the house. Maybe a big Rottweiler's going to come out or something. But when I'm watching Lazy Retired Granny, she does a fantastic job of doing cottage paintings, and I'm really sort of like diving into the swimming pool here. I'm sort of like edging further and further to getting cottages now. So they're just very sort of magical scenery, isn't it? Where you've got the flowers, the little cottage, and I think she's got one where there's like a river with swans going through it. But yeah, I am edging near Lazy Retired Granny to doing cottages. But yeah, that's that. So let us know. So it's a short one this time, but there wasn't really anything that grabbed my attention. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, always tap that notification bell and you'll be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. Also subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge, and really appreciate the support for the channel. And yeah, until next time, that's been a Temu haul. We will see you again very soon for another Temu unboxing. Bye bye now.